Today I'd like to demonstrate the Ag Research Portal. This is an application that I built using Oracle Apex that integrates with Oracle IDCS and the database. We go to Apps, Ag Research Portal. You can tell that it's using the identity services because the identity ID for the DIFM group is listed here. And using your Oracle login, we now log in to the application itself. Here we're presented with a brief summary page: total entities, total farms, fields, crop varieties, and products. To access the farm portion, we click here. Here we're greeted by a dashboard. It displays total research acres by farm and total research fields by farm. For research entities, we're presented with another set of graphs: total research farms by entity, total fields by research entity, and total farm trials by entity. We have an administrative page. Here you can manage a central point for all contacts in the project. You can manage contacts and use this as your Rolodex to reach out to people. You can sort, group, search for, here we have some reference tables. These reference tables are anticipated to be used with the trial design system. I'm still building them. Install this application on your desktop and your phone. You can comment, make comments that you like or dislike a particular page, and put feedback here. When you sign out, you're signing out back to the original web page. Let's take a look at the self-registration features. There are two profiles for self-registration. One is for ag researchers, scientists. The other is for farmers. Let's do one for an ag scientist. Here, we submit the application or registration. And here we are, granted access with the new user information here. Let's take a look on the back end and see how this is built and how this works. Once we're signed into the IDCS as an administrator, we can review the user that was just added. Here, we can see that he has been given access to the Apex Scientists, IDCS Apex, and the PI group. When we go to the self-registration area, you can see that there are two profiles, one for farmers and one for Apex and scientists. This is where we assign the user groups based on the role of the user. This ultimately decides and defines who gets access to what, where, what web pages, and what data. For the farmers, they will only have access to those web pages and data that are specific for their farm. So in understanding how a user is granted access to an application, at the time of registration, they are assigned groups. They must be a part of all three of these groups. To access the application from the home page, you go to Apps, Ag Research Portal, and you are brought to a login page. This login page is integrated with Oracle IDCS.